Hello, and welcome to my office. You're tuned in to another episode of Andreas Does Art. Oh yeah, here we go. So today, what are we doing? Well, there's nothing more American than upcycling an old art piece. So we're gonna head to the thrift store, find ourselves a nice canvas, and paint something new on it. So let's go.
Alright, I am in Goodwill and I'm searching for big canvas for my next project. Oh yeah, we are back from the thrift store. Got the canvas, got some other supplies, but I think it's time to prime this guy and start sketching out some ideas. I think this is gonna be a wild one. Are you ready? Let's go. Are in the studio and it's time to prep this guy.
Wow, we found ourselves a wonderful canvas here now, did we? And I can't wait to put some beautiful art on this. So let's just get right to it now.
Thank you so much for having us. We're over here, Mr. President. Thank you. Okay. Mr. President, thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate you taking the time, and we appreciate your commitment to answer our questions.
Sure. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. I think it's under control. What do you say? It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. We are doing everything we can. What testing does, it shows cases. It shows where there may be cases. You take a test, you have to send it to a laboratory. You test, we show cases.
Wowee, well this has turned out splendid now, isn't it? I just love to see it. I appreciate you folks, and thanks for watching along.
The American dream is dead. But if I get elected president, I will bring it back. Bigger, better, stronger. 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 Bigger, better than ever before. Bigger, better, stronger. 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 Bigger, better than ever before. Better, stronger. Better than ever before.
Well, we're almost done here, and
Almost done editing this video. It'll be up shortly. Let's get back to it.
from someone's house to the thrift store.
Oh my god. This dude. Look, I do not have time for this right now. I'm sorry. Kidding me right now? Oh god. He will not leave me alone. Alright. Let's see what he wants.
And a new controversy for Disney as we get leaked videos of top executives at the company.
Wake up, you little prick! Are they friend or foe? I don't know, actually felt good. I felt water.
Oh boy, I sure believe that. What's this about a deal with the Chinese?
I like China.
You're lying, I'll cut you up.
People from China, they love me.
Fucker, where are the missing ballots?
Don't ask me, ask China that question, okay? When you ask them that question, you may get a very unusual answer.
Why don't you just tell me where the missing ballots are? It'll make your death a lot less painful.
I've been saying China.
You are a fat diabetic bear. You better start talking. You better start talking right now.
China now. China. You know, China.
Do we have a problem?
Let's say China.
Nobody is ruining this event.
Somebody had to do
I
it.
have worked too long and
Jesus.
too hard to have anybody fuck this up. Go on, leave us alone.
Listen, Donald. Give me a break so I can finish editing this video, alright?
Thank you and farewell. Bigger, better, stronger. Bigger, better, stronger. Bigger, better, stronger. Bigger, better. better, stronger, bigger, better, stronger, bigger, better, stronger, bigger, better, stronger, bigger, better than ever before, bigger, better, stronger, bigger, better, stronger, bigger.
Well, that just about wraps this one up. That's a beautiful American upcycled art piece, straight from someone's house to the thrift store, back to my garage, and to eyeballs like yours. I appreciate you all for tuning in. God bless America, God bless you, and have a beautiful night. Amen.
That's all, folks. I mean, everybody.
Bigger, better than ever before.